Hello everyone, you are watching RDS Goa's News Bulletin with me, Shahin Bepari. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. Mahadevi Tribunal orders Karnataka government to construct concrete wall to stop diversion of Mahadevi River. Baga Beach bagged National Award at 61st National Award at National Media Centre. BJP files candidature in all 11 wards of Talegaon for the upcoming Panchayat election. And now the news in detail. Mahadevi Tribunal on Thursday ruled out an important decision on construction of canal on the river Mahadevi Basin. The tribunal has ordered Karnataka government to fill the excavation on either side of Mahadevi where the canal was supposed to be constructed. Also, the tribunal has ordered the Karnataka government to construct concrete wall on the mouth of diversion route to stop diversion of water. Tribunal wants the Karnataka government to implement the instruction issued by the Mahadevi Tribunal on or before 31st May until the final decision is ruled out.
Mahadevi Tribunalaचे गोवा सरकारान जे हे केल्ले इंटरव्हेनिंग एप्लिकेशन केल्ले फॉर स्टॉपिंग द कंस्ट्रक्शन ताजो महत्वाचो निर्णय आयज ट्रिब्युनलान दिल्लो आसा. तातूंत एक म्हणल्यार की in order to ensure that the water from Mahadevi Basin does not get automatically diverted to Malaprabha Basin through the interconnecting canal which has been partly constructed by the state of Karnataka. The state of Karnataka is directed to plug both the vents of the cut and cover section of the reach within Mahadevi Basin of the interconnecting canal with a brick masonry embankment on or before 31st May 2014. म्हणजे जी तोंडां उगडल्या पळय ती तोंडां बंद कर हे घालून वॉल घालून मदीं. द स्टेट ऑफ कर्नाटका इज डायरेक्टेड टू फिल अप द एक्सकवेशन म्हणजे खणून काडला पळय अलॉंग द रीच लायन म्हणजे दोगांचे मदली बाउंड्री जी आसा फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ कॅनल एज पर द एग्रीड डिझायन एंड स्पेसिफिकेशन टू रिस्टोर द रीच लायन as was existing prior to the construction of interconnecting canal on or before 31/5. म्हणजे 31/5 पयलीं हे दोनूय जे कॅनल खणून काडलेले चर मारून दवरलेली व्हडली कॅनलाची ती परती माती भितर भरपाक लायले आनी ज्या जाग्यार कनेक्टिंग पॉयंट आहा थंय वॉल काडून कनेक्शन तोडपाक लायला. ताका मागीर तेजें रेग्युलेटरी मेकॅनिझम केला. इनफॅक्ट आमचे आर्ग्युमेंट कर्नाटकान मान्य केले ताचो एकूच आर्ग्युमेंट आशिल्लो आनी जो आर्ग्युमेंट म्हाका दिसता गोंयच्या लोकांक अत्यंत म्हत्वाचो आहा. 2006 ते जून 2012 पर्यंत गोंया कडच्यान एकूय प्रोटेस्ट लेटर कंप्लेन की कर्नाटका कॅनल खणटा म्हणून गोंया कडच्यान एकूय वचून नासलो. हो कर्नाटकाचो एकमेव आर्ग्युमेंट उरलोलो. ताकाय मागीर आमच्या एजीन ताका योग्य उत्तर दितकच मागीर ही ऑर्डर तांच्यांनी पास केल्या. डेफिनेटली दीस नलिफायज वॉट कर्नाटका हॅज डन. दॅट मीन्स नाव द डिस्प्यूट कॅन बी रिझॉल्व्ड through the legal arguments. This is what they were doing while the case was going. केस चालू असताना एक वटेन कॅनल फोडून दवरताले आनी फेट एकम्प्ली करूंक सोदताले. कारण कशा रिवर्स स्लोप जालो की उदक आपोआप काय करपाची व्हडली गरज ना. उदक आपोआप कॅनलांच्यान फ्लो जातले ही कल्पना करून तांच्यानी ते खणून दवरलेले. आता हाज्या एक म्हणजे आमकां बॉर्डरीचो म्हणजे दोनूय बेसिनाच्या मदीं लायनीचेर जो कॅनल तांच्यानी घडला तो पुरोवपाक लायला आणि ज्या जाग्यार वेंट ओपन जाता न्हंय जॉईन जाता पळय त्या पॉयंटार ब्रिक मेसनरीची वॉल घालून बंद करपाक लायला म्हणजे तोंड बंद करपाक लायला आनी फुडें कॅनल खणला तो बुजोवपाक लायला.
Konkani film Baga Beach, directed by Lakshmikant Shetgaonkar and produced by Shravani Production, bagged National Award at 61st National Awards at National Media Centre, Delhi. The film speaks about the darker side of Goan beaches and is very well portrayed by the director. Speaking to media, director of film Lakshmikant Shetgaonkar said that government should give financial support to promote this film culture in Goa. Gautam Shirorkar reports from Panji for RDX Goa.
आयचो दीस आमकां सगळ्यांक खूब खुशीचो गोंयांक, कित्याक तर एका कोंकणी फिल्मांक नॅशनल अवॉर्ड फावो जाला. 61st नॅशनल अवॉर्ड्साक आमी एंट्री धाडिल्ली तेन्ना आमकां दिशिल्लें की म्हणजे आमकां आमचें फिल्म सदांच द बेस्ट दिसताच आनी आमकां दिशिल्लें की नॅशनल अवॉर्ड्स डेफिनेटली आमकां फावो जातले म्हणून त्या हाणेंच आमी धाडिल्ले. काल आमकां जेन्ना कळ्ळें म्हणजे म्हाका डायरेक्टराची मॅसेज आयली की आमकां नॅशनल अवॉर्ड मेळ्ळें म्हणून. म्हाका दिसलें की आमचें बेस्ट फिल्म म्हणजे द बेस्ट फिचर फिल्म ह्या कॅटेगरीनूच आमकां नॅशनल अवॉर्ड मेळ्ळा म्हणून, कित्याक हांव ट्रॅवलिंग करतालें आनी म्हाका मोबायलाचेरूय मेळना जालें. सो लेटर देन म्हणजे बरेच उसरां मागीर कळ्ळें की आमकां रिजनल फिल्म्स ह्या कॅटेगरीन मेळ्ळा म्हणून.
म्हाका दिसतालें हाका मेळटलेंच नॅशनल अवॉर्ड म्हणून, बिकॉज आय थॉट द फिल्म वॉज क्वायट गूड. म्हणजे एज अ पर्सनली जेन्ना हांवें फिल्म पळयलें तेन्ना म्हाका दिसलें की ताच्या भितर भरपूर क्वॉलिटी आसा. इट शूड गो मच बियॉन्ड दॅन वॉट आय हॅड एक्सपेक्टेड. बट आय एम हॅपी की फिल्म कोंकणीतले नॅशनल अवॉर्ड मेळ्ळें आनी आमी परत एकदां रिएस्टॅब्लीश जाले की कोंकणी फिल्म कम्युनिटी आसा. ही पयली गजाल म्हाका दिसता. आनी दुसरी गजाल म्हत्वाची म्हणल्यार गोंयच्या फिल्माच्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान की गोंयची फिल्म म्हणल्यार फक्त गोंयान शूट जालें म्हणून तें गोंयचें फिल्म म्हणूंक जायना म्हाका दिसता. पण ह्या बागा बीच जे फिल्म आसा ह्या फिल्मांत तुमकां इंटरनॅशनल कास्ट आसा, नॅशनल कास्ट आसा आनी त्याच बरोबर गोंयचे एकदम नवे लोक आसात. आनी अशें न्हू की ते एक्स्ट्रा आर्टिस्ट किंवा बारीक रोल करतात अशें ना, तर तांकां मुख्य भुमिका आसा. एज लॉंग एज पीपल हू आर देर हू आर रायटींग स्टोरीज or want to make films, they will make. But without government support, you cannot make so many films. You can just make 1 or 2 films. Like it take I mean, I make one film in 4 years. Can you imagine? And at this stage of juncture of time, I should be making one film in 2 years. At least one film in 2 years. And that is because there is no government support. When you have to depend on so many other things. So I guess government should seriously think about the film finance scheme and also the implement a film policy.
2 वर्सां स्कीम बंद आसा गव्हर्मेंटाची. फिल्म फायनान्स स्कीम इज नॉट इन प्लेस फॉर लास्ट 2 years.
Last 2 years. That is true. That's what I'm saying. Like आयज कोणाकय जर भुरग्याक फिल्म करपाचें आहा, शॉर्ट फिल्म किंवा डॉक्युमेंटरी, फीचर फिल्म, he has nowhere to go. But which is not so in other states. Look at Maharashtra, look at Assam, look at Orissa. Everything is in place, and we are struggling because of that. सो आय मीन जो टॅलंट जो आमचे कडेन आसा पळय तो म्हाका दिसता हळूहळू मागीर आनी कमी जायत रावतलो. जर तशें जर ताका पूरक वातावरण जर ना न्ही जाल्यार ते फिल्मां करपाचें बंद करतले लोक.
BJP has filed its candidature in all 11 wards of Talegaon for the upcoming Panchayat election on 27th April. BJP has filed its candidates in all the wards to make the locals of Talegaon fearless, said Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. He was speaking during release of their manifesto. Yashwant Parab reports from Panji for RDX Goa.
दुसरो मुख्य विषय तो ताळगांवचो विशय. ताळगांव पंचायत इलेक्शन 27 तारखेक जावपाची आहा. भारतीय जनता पक्षान 11 वॉर्डांनी आपले उमेदवार समर्थीत उमेदवार उबे केल्ले आसा. ताळगांव पंचायतीची निवडणूक ही एक निवडणूक अशी आसा की ज्या जाग्यार आमकां दिसता की ताळगांवच्या लोकांकूय आतां भयमुक्ती दिवपाचो वेळ आयिल्लो आसा. म्हणजे एक पंचायतीची दहशतवाद तो गेल्या 10-15 वर्सां 10-12 वर्सां ताळगांवचेर सातत्यान लादपाचो प्रयत्न एका व्यक्ती कडच्यान जाता. ताका उत्तर म्हणून ताळगांवचे आमचे सगळे बरे मतपी एकत्र आयिल्ले आहा. भारतीय जनता पक्ष तांकां पूर्ण समर्थन करता. टुगेदर फॉर ताळगांव म्हणून तांच्यांनी मॅनिफेस्टो तांचो आयज म्हाका रिलीज करता आसतना आनंद दिसता. तांचे कॅन्डिडेटाची सगळी म्हणजे आमच्या सगळ्या ताळगांव टुगेदर फॉर ताळगांवच्या कॅन्डिडेटाची लिस्टूय हांगा आसा. सुभाष हळदणकर वॉर्ड क्रमांक 1, वॉर्ड 2 रायप्पा मुतवाडी, वॉर्ड 3 मार्था डिसोजा, वॉर्ड 4 उल्हास नावेलकर, वॉर्ड 5 दीपक मुरगांवकर, वॉर्ड 6 नानी दिवकार, वॉर्ड 7 आशा नार्वेकर, वॉर्ड 8 मंगेश वेर्णेकार, वॉर्ड 9 रघुवीर कुंकळकार, वॉर्ड 10 वंदना पालेकर आणि वॉर्ड 11 उर्मिला तळंगुटकर.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Anywhere at any time, 24-hour service available all over Goa. Sai Kishan Transport undertakes sewage and water waste suction maintenance services. Contact us at 09637164777, 09822137923. Also email us arvind.dabolkar@yahoo.com.
ए सुची लग्न उपरांत तुका आमच्या घरान कितें जाय
प्रिन्स
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 Prince Furniture is #1 furniture showroom for all your home furnishing needs. Comfortable and designer sofas with lots of varieties. Stylish divans. Spacious and best quality wardrobes. Prince Furniture for strong and latest designing dining tables, for wall mount showcases, for large variety of stylish beds. Visit our showroom at Piran Industrial Estate and Karaswada Mhapsa.
आमच्या स्वप्नातले घर सजयता प्रिन्स फर्निचर.
तुमचे घर कोण सजयता?
Prince Furniture is the best furniture.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences, with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
सोबीत दिसचें अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीतकाय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Welcome back. Cases of dengue infection are rising day by day in the state. 21 people were reported to be infected with dengue at Nerul. Open gutters and stagnant water are the main reason for mosquito breeding and thus spreading the disease. Locals complain that neither Panchayat nor the Chief Minister nor local MLA and Tourism Minister is paying attention towards this problem. The locals also complain that the patient do not get proper treatment in primary health center. However, Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo inspected the site and assured to create awareness and take necessary measures as soon as possible. Gautam Shirokar reports from Saligaon for RDX Goa.
आणि कोणाचेर एक्शन घेना कोण मिनिस्टर येना कोण पंचायत पळयना परत कोणाक पळयना. खंयचे एरियेन म्हटलें नेरूल प्रिंगाबाट वचत तेंच्या घरांनी विराटा जाल्यार हळशीक केलें. पंचायतीन जाल्यार पंचायत आमची एक्शन कसलीच घेना दिल्लीची. कॅम्प जाल्यार 3 म्हयने जाले मात कोणें आमी येवन हांगा सारकें जाण वयता. मिनिस्टराक सांगलेलें आमी पंचायती वचून मात येवन कोणें आमचें एक्शन घेवंक ना. लागीं लागीं आमचे 40-50 लोक डेंगू सारके जावन गेले हांगा कालवे हेल्थांचे नाल्यार जीएमसीन नाल्यार हांगा वयता म्हापसा वयता आतां कळ्ळें जाल्यार खबर ना 2 दिसांनी कळ्ळें पूण अजून पासून येवंक ना परत
आता आहात तुम्ही
आतां बरें आसा
खंयचे तुमी
नेहरू
कितले दीस पासून जाले
काल जनता
तुमच्या घरान आनी कोणाक गेले
आईक जाला आई आजीला ना कालूच हाडला सकाळी
कित्याक लागून तुमच्या निल्लानूच कित्याक लागून
कांयच कळना कित्याक लागून ते विराडो खूब जाले आनी त्या खातीर चड जाले आसता रिस्पॉन्स कांयच ना पंचायतीचो सगळे हळशीक जाले गांवांत.
We had 21 cases of NS1 positive from Firingebat and Vere. So the main cause is because of people storing water and blocked drains also. So we request the people that they should not store water in the houses for more than 7 days. If they need to store water, they should empty the barrels or their containers every 7 days. And they should report early when they have any history of fever. So we can do the test, we can observe the patients. Total from the month of March, 20th of March, we had 21 NS1 positive cases. Most of the cases are locals. Firingebat, Vere, Amber Khan. Every Friday we collect the names of the patients from the private hospital, every Friday.
Dengue cases are on the rise in Firingebat, Nerul and in primary health center Patta Kandoli. So today's visit, because lot of people from Nerul called me, telephone केलो काल म्हाका पयरूय केलो की नेरुलान स्प्रेड जायत आहा म्हणून डॉक्टरान सांगला 21 cases positive and they are admitted here at primary health center Kandolim and some are admitted at Mapsa Azilo, some are referred to GMC. म्हाका दिसता प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स घेवपाची गरज आहा. डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसेस मिस्टर दालवीक हांवें फोन केला आतां. I have told him to send additional staff. Firingebatan चड awareness करपाची गरज आहा कित्याक स्प्रेड जायत आहा. Every day there is a new patient coming in. So I have told the doctor to take your team regularly and visit, see that everything is kept clean and water is not stored for more than 7 days as discussed with the doctor. Stagnant water, the mosquitoes breathe, the larva is and they multiply, and when they bite and the infection goes, it goes to other people also. So I request all the people, especially of Firingebat, Nerul, to cooperate with the health services. Wherever there are places where earlier it was detected, थिंगासोर precautionary measure घे म्हटल्यार कित्याक these cases should not be spread. आमकां खंय तरी tourismaक धक्को लागतलो.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar announced that government will give financial support to the Gujarati Communities Association for hiring a bus for their school and will declare the scheme for this association on 20th May. He was speaking during the foundation stone laying ceremony of Gujarati Communities Association School. Mandar Naik reports from Margam for RDX Goa.
कौतुक करता संस्थेचे की एक बरो प्रकल्प तांच्यांनी आयज स्टार्ट केला. 13 कोटी पयशे मेळून इलेक्शन कोड असले जाल्यार तुका तुवें जें कितें सांगलें तें आमी कन्सिडर करतले. कितें करता तें घोशणा मागीर करता नाल्यार फाल्यां परत एक कंप्लेन. ती 20 तारखेक सांगता 20 मेक. आफ्टर द काउंटिंग कारण नाल्यार कंप्लेनी करतात बेठाच. पण म्हाका दिसता ह्या क्षेत्रांत आनी खूब गजाली करपाच्यो गरज आहा. बशीची हांवें नोंद केल्या ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स पयलींच गेल्ली आसा. वी वर वेटिंग फॉर द एकेडमीक इयर. ह्या एकेडमीक इयरान द स्कीम इज स्लायटली चेंजींग. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू द बसीस. वी वील गिव यू मनी टू हायर बसीस. बिकॉज आमकां अशें लक्षात आयलें की बस दिली की लगेच तो क्लिनर म्हणटा आपल्याक परमनंट कर, तो ड्रायव्हर म्हणटा आपल्याक परमनंट कर. त्यापेक्षा जो ड्रायव्हर आनी क्लिनर ताणेंच बस लावनी इन्स्टिट्युशना कडेन. वी वील पे देम charges so that they can own the bus after 3-4 years paying the loan. ती स्कीम येतली. त्यामुळे तुमकां एडिशनल बसीचे परमिशन मेळटलें. फक्त नवी बस घेवचे जाग्यार हाका मेळटलें. he already has been told to the department before the elections were declared, and the orders might come in the academic year. ही संस्था जे कितें करता ताका सरकारान जे कितें केलां ते एक बरी सरकाराची म्हणजे दिगंबराच्या काळात म्हाका दिसता 6,500 हांव खूबदां हाका क्रिटिसायज करता बट दिस इज गूड थिंग ही हॅज डन. बऱ्यो गजाली आहा त्यो बऱ्यो म्हणूंक जाय कारण ह्या कामाची गरज आसा आनी ह्या कामाक लागणारो सपोर्ट अक्रॉस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी पॉलिटिकल विशय धरनासतना आमी दिवपाची गरज आहा.
Our Chief Minister is good at conceptualizing schemes, and I am sure that he will come up with a good scheme, and for which the support across party lines that he spoke about, I would like to promise that support here on the floor of today's occasion.
सायन्स जितली मुखार वता तितले सामाजिक प्रॉब्लेमूय मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर वाडटा आनी तातूंत एक प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे हो प्रॉब्लेम्स फेस बाय स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन. ह्या फिल्डांत खुबश्यो संस्था आसा ज्यो काम करता पूण त्या सगळ्या संस्थां भितर गुजराती समाज हे एक प्रामुख्यान मुखार आयिल्ले दिसता कारण 30 वर्सां पयलीं जे ल्हानशा प्रमाणाचेर तांणी काम सुरू केल्लें तें काम आज एक विस्तार जावन मोठ्या प्रमाणाचेर ताका एक बरें रूप मेळिल्लें आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा.
Primary health center at Kandalim is in dreadful state. It is lacking the basic facilities. Kalangut MP Michael Lobo informed that a note requesting renovation of health center through GIDC has been up to the Chief Minister. He also informed that a new building well equipped with basic health facilities will be constructed and the construction of the same will begin by the end of July. Gautam Shirkar reports from Saligaon for RDX Goa.
He is in a very bad condition. तुम्ही पळयला आसतले आनी हिंगासर सांगोळडा सालिगांव नेरूल रेजमागोज वेरे रामनगर हे सगळे लोक प्लस कांदोलीम कलांगूट बागा अप टू आरपोरा नागवा all these people come over here and this is too small and it has become congested. 1971 or 72 बांधलेले dilapidated जाला. There is leakage of water. I have told the Honorable Chief Minister नोटूय घातलेलो आहा. Chief Minister and direction दिले आहा under GSIDC to take up the entire work. I have proposed that a new health center to be built at the side of this and this to be demolished after completing the new health center. So the proposal is under consideration. New planning करपाची गरज आहा immediately. Till then there are 4 cottages which were earlier used by the electricity department. We are going to renovate them and temporary start all the other facilities like X-ray. हिंगासर कितें मातसो पांव तिरपलो हो एक्सिडंट जालो जाल्यार म्हापसा वयचें पडटा एक्सरे काडपाक. हिंगा एक्सरे मशीन ना. देर आर नो प्रॉपर डॉक्टर्स म्हणजे ऑल द डॉक्टर्स आर नॉट देर. गायनोकोलॉजिस्ट इज नॉट देर. मीन इट इज जस्ट इमर्जन्सी कहें म्हणजे लोक येयले इमर्जन्सी कितें मातशें कितें हें लायलें आनी गेले बँडेज केली गेले. यू कॅनॉट ट्रीट अ पेशंट ओवर हियर. सो I have requested the Chief Minister being a
Let's take another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
High-speed broadband internet now in your area. Internet at home, in office, for gaming, for every professional. No more waiting. Call 8888886109 or go to www.ethernetexpress.com.
When I'm called to face the flames, oh my Lord, give me strength when times go bad, to help and save, oh my Lord, give me strength. I'll put myself on the line to save lives.
शाळा आमकां शिकयता जिणेंतल्या आव्हानांक तोंड दिवपाक. अचकीत लागिल्लो उजो योग्य सूचना, योग्य निर्देश आनी योग्य उपाय आपणावन पालव येता. उजो लागल्याची सूचना मेळटाच भिनासतना ठरयल्ल्या सुरक्षीत थळार पावपाक जाय. शिरकोन उरल्यात तांचे मेरेन मजत पावोवपाक जाय. वैजकीय मजत करपाक जाय. सगळ्यांची हाजेरी तपासपाक जाय आनी येरादारीची वेवस्था करपाक जाय.
Goa Fire and Emergency Services. We serve to save. Call 101.
Welcome back. Dabolim MLA Movin Godino once again aimed at GPCC President John Fernandez, stating that Congress will lose both the seats in Goa. Mervyn said that the entire credit of defeat will go to President John Fernandez. He further said that there is need to suspend the current president and dissolve the current committee soon after the Lok Sabha results. Sanjay Munoli reports from Panji for RDX Goa.
I told Rahul Gandhi that Mervyn will just not figure in any important works of the Congress henceforth. You don't want me to be a general leading from the front. I will be an ordinary worker of the party. I would stay in a corner and work my bit. I will not work against the party, but I will not be leading from the front, and that is what exactly I have done. So what is wrong if I just step aside and I just take a break? I am just taking my well-deserved break because they don't consider me when it comes to position. I am always the sacrificial goat. So what wrong have I done? And come May 16, they will know from the result what was my contribution in earlier 3 elections, because these results will show. So I want to tell John Fernandez, if you have got the guts to take action, you may not be wanting to take action thinking that I am waiting for such a action so I will become unattached. I don't wait for such freebies. I want to tell John Fernandez, it is you who has never faced any election. You have no guts to performing well. I was doing very well. I was like the shining star of the Congress. So he wanted to destroy my image. It is same Pratap Singh Rane who connived with the opposition that time, who has always been hand in glove with the opposition, who has not done anything meaningful for Congress. I think it is only going down. Congress is on the decline, and this is what was necessary. Firm steps for rebuilding the Congress, which I think the Congress lacks the will to march forward and to build for the future. Shri Manohar Parrikar is doing a wonderful job, and whether he is doing a wonderful job or people have accepted it will be known by the May 16th result, which I expect BJP to win both the seats, because it is the folly of our people who failed to capitalize on the positives that were available to Congress, because you have hollow, shallow leaders like John Fernandez. You have even shallow spokesperson. So how do you expect the party to march forward? I think as I see on the horizon, I would not hesitate to say the only leader who has little promise in the Congress is Reginald, I think. The rest are either half-spent forces or who don't have any credibility. It's only Reginald. That's why they use Reginald. They put him as a candidate, no?
Before we wind up, here's a recap of the headlines. Mahadevi Tribunal orders Karnataka government to construct concrete wall to stop diversion of Mahadevi River. Baga Beach bagged National Award at 61st National Award at National Media Center. BJP files candidature in all 11 wards of Talegaon for the upcoming Panchayat election. News bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.